Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Skullcandy KILO wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this factory reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not pairing with Bluetooth or is not syncing or not connecting with your phone or other device or keeps disconnecting. Any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just whatever situation where you want to delete all of the pairing history off of it so that you can set this up basically like you're setting up a new speaker. It's really easy to do. So all we're going to do is on this speaker we're going to come and find the volume down and the volume up buttons, and you're just going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the speaker will revert to its factory settings. All previously paired devices will be deleted, and the status LED on the speaker will blink alternatively between blue and red while it's resetting. Once it's reset, you can go ahead and just connect it to your phone or other device like you're setting it up for the first time.